Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen up to pattern number 45, right? In today's video, we are going to discuss about pattern number 46. What is this pattern? So previously we have seen the patterns which can be printed in this shape. So now in the beginning also, somewhere we covered patterns in this style, right? Like how to print the stars. In first row, 1 star. In the second row, 2 stars. In the third row, 3 stars. Like that, how we can able to print that part we discussed already. But now I don't want a star. In the place of a star, I want to take numerical values like in the first row 1, in the next row 1 and 2, in the next row 1 2 3, in the next row 1 2 3 4, in the next row 1 2 3 4 5. Like this we have to write. How to prepare a pattern program for this? First we are going to take for, okay, we are going to take for each I value in the range of, what is the starting value? Let it be 1. And what is the ending value? Let it be 5. So I'm taking 1 comma 5 plus 1. Means what? This loop is going to run how many times? 5 times. Let me print the value of I, and I'm taking end is equal to space. Let us run this code from this. You can see we got 1 2 3 4 5. I want to repeat this. Again I will take one more loop for I in the, for j in the range of 1 to 5 plus 1. Just I want to print this particular value. Okay, now after completion of every row, I am printing an empty line. So you can see here we are going to get a pattern like this. We covered these patterns in the very beginning session. I want to eliminate this. Only one step. For each j value in the range of 1 to 5 plus 1 you have taken, right? In the place of 5, try to take 1, sorry, try to take I. If you take I, what will happen? When I is equal to 1, what will be the value of j? Your j value will become 1. When I is equal to 2, what will be your j values? J values are generated from 1 to 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3, where we will get 1 comma 2. So here what will happen? J of it is going to work with 1 to 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 1 to 2. So we will get only one value. So when I value is equal to 3, your j values will become 1 to 3 plus 1, that is 4. Have you observed? Here one single value, here two values, here three values. Like that we will get. Let me execute this code and cross check, because here we are depending on the value of I. When the value of I is equal to, I mean when the value of n is equal to 10, you are going to get like this. How many stars? 10 stars you are going to get. If you want to just replace this with 10 plus 1, you can see we are going to get like this. Of course we can fix the alignments also, but here it is not that much important. Try to understand how we are going to generate this kind of patterns. I think you people got clear idea how to generate this particular pattern. Okay, right. Thank you.